So your C8 didn't come with engine bay lights? Well, I got you covered. Let's roll the intro. And real quick, if I can just have 37 seconds of your time, who wants to win a brand new Z06 plus $30,000 for $25? I've partnered with Pittsburgh Vintage Grand Prix Association for your chance to win big for a little bit of money. Let me show you how to real quick. Go to this website right here. It'll be in the description below. Click on that link. You're gonna hit donate now. If you use my promo code right there, you get 30% more tickets. Put all your info right here, hit continue, and you're all set. And you have until September 30th, 2024, and drawing date will be October 8th. All I ask is that if one of my viewers uses my promo code and wins this car and the cash, you have to buy me lunch and let me drive the car. All right, deal? Cool. All right, on to the video. What's up guys, happy Saturday, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be putting OE style, well, OE lights in the engine bay of my friend's 2LT. Without the engine appearance package. I do not have it either. Me having a 1LT versus a 2LT, the biggest difference is on a 2LT, we got to remove the little bezel around the, or the bodywork panel around the rear camera. Because that's the same harness that attaches to rear defroster, camera, and now the lights. So having a 1LT, it's actually easier. So thanks, Andrew. Nah, not a big deal. I'll give you guys a quick little dry run of what we got to take apart real quick on my car. Yeah, I'll show you the steps how to do it on a 2LT. It's not a hard job from what I've read. It's just a matter of changing out one harness that comes from your left shoulder up over the halo into the engine bay. Just a bunch of little clips, a couple screws. And yeah, I'm just fishing the harness out and fishing a new one back in. I think we can do this under 2 hours. I'm pretty confident. I've already taken apart the entire interior on my my C8, so it shouldn't be too bad. So yeah, I'll show you exactly what we're gonna do on mine, and then once it gets here, I'll show you exactly what we took apart. Sound good? Cool. All right, now on a 2LT, you have to remove this panel, and a 1LT you don't, so you don't have that option. To take it off is simply about 6 little clips inside that keep it on there. Body removal panel tool. Just gonna pop that off. We'll get to that momentarily. So that's the only difference on a 1LT versus a 2LT. 1LT, you don't touch this. All right, back here, so you got your 2 defrosters, one right there, one over there, and then that's where the harness comes in right there. There's already a spot for the lights right there. Why this isn't a factory option? It's so cheap to do. It's kind of silly. There's just a factory option or standard option, you know what I mean? So they're gonna fit right there on both sides. And then, yeah, so this was the 2LT, the camera would go up in right there, which I don't have. And then I think we gotta unscrew those guys just right there, get a little more room. I think that's the only extracurricular activities we gotta do back here. And I'll take you inside. And then in here is this guy up here, the one panel, just pops off. And I think we can get away with just kind of undoing this one halfway. And I think we can access it like that. And the grommet's gonna be right up in there for the harness. I bought another one. No, I'm my buddy. Oh my God. All right, tell him where to go here. Andrew made it. All right, here's where we're at. We're gonna just do these back bolts right here. They're 7mm. Andrew's on that. And inside here, only thing you gotta do is take off this halo part up here. That's your grommet. And then loosen this guy, and you can access everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and get, now he has a 2LT with the camera, so you gotta do both of these right here. Get these undone. Get these guys off. And I guess we're probably gonna fish it through that way, I'd imagine, right? Yeah, because the grommet's on that side. We gotta fish it through that way.
I think so.
Yeah. Cool.
That's what it looked like that made.
Has this thing faded at all?
No, I got this off Amazon.
I know, I remember you told me. I like the gold though. Is that gold or just faded?
That's just faded, I think.
Okay.
Or just pollen.
Yeah.
I want it just to match it to the red. The red.
On the valve covers.
Yeah.
I do love that the Corvette team made them red. That was pretty cool. I do appreciate that. So this is the most daunting part for me. So I'm gonna let Andrew do this because he breaks it. No, I'll help you. We're gonna use painter's tape around the edges. And I was thinking the same thing. I'm glad you brought it with you. So we're gonna do that and take our prying tools and just kind of pop it off, right?
Because you know that's probably the gaskets is somewhere up
Correct.
Here is best.
And this is why you want to get a 1LT, guys. So thanks a lot, Andrew. This tape is really soft.
I started using that on cars because it really
It is. It's like
sticks. It's not like like rigid.
It feels like I don't know how to describe it.
I know.
It's almost like paper mache, but it's strong.
Before that, I was doing like frog tape. Before that, I was doing like blue tape. You know.
Yeah. All right, here we go.
Okay.
Do you want? And I'll start right here.
I got some of this one here.
You got some beat right there. Yeah, you do. Fuck. I don't like that. Ooh.
So we can always put more tape if we have to.
Now we're good.
Okay.
I'm getting underneath it. Oh, this was not bad at all, actually.
Yeah. Oh.
It's like we know what we're doing. That was uneventful. I think there's still one more in there. No, we got them all. Cool. Didn't even film that. That went so fast. Fuck.
Right.
Well, that was really uneventful. This little guy, you pull this down, this comes off. That's it. This thing we just feed through.
So there's just that?
Yeah. And then...
These are like the little lock tabs?
Yeah, and then you pull it down, and it comes right off. That was...
At least I got some junk in there.
Oh, we're missing two of the... Make sure the other two little things are on those, because that's like sound dampening. So you don't hear any like clicking or anything. So yeah, all that's out of there. This guy's loose right here. So I think we can pull it back on through here. Hopefully. And here's the main grommet right there. It's really on there.
You want me to lift up on that?
Yeah, if you don't mind. There's something stuck. Can you reach it? There we go. All right, that was cool. Now just get this guy off here, undo these guys, and then these couple Christmas trees, and this guy's out of there. So yeah, you don't gotta fart with this at all. So here's where we're at. Here's the original, and the biggest difference is no pigtail. Where the new one, it seems really short, but I guess it'll work.
It just kind of...
Yeah.
I think the surround covers the light, I think.
Yep. So going that back in, we're just gonna feed this side. I think we can squish this through.
Yeah.
I think we'll make it work. All right, let's try that.
Dumb engineer.
And real quick, so this little guy right there goes straight in, but the hole to go down to the cabin is about 3 inches that way. Just be cognizant of that. It's kind of goofy. See it up there? It's weird. Yep. All right, so what me and Andrew did, 2 people is much easier. We fed it through the back in there with the grommet, and what he did, he held it open with this little guy, and that was super easy. So my stupid ass was gonna go the other way. He suggested that. So with 2 people, really easy.
Nobody ever pulled it that way. We just followed what they pulled.
Correct.
Whereas we could have pulled that little length.
And so far this job, like we've been talking a lot. If we were just working, we 15 minutes. So now it's just a matter of hooking everything up. Oh, I didn't film that, guys. Sorry. We just put it back in there. This is going really easy. I'm nervous. Gotta go the other way.
Wrong way.
Okay. Is that it? Is it in?
I think so. It's off.
Okay.
Flush.
Cool.
That's awesome.
That was the scariest part for me, and that was easy.
Yeah, because I liked what we did.
All right, so we got all the little things pushed back in. These guys pushed back in. Here's the little things for the lights. We're just gonna put the little hardware up in there and then screw these down. We're pretty much done. All right, now I'm just taking these little guys and pushing them in here. Just like that. Again, I don't know why this just didn't come standard. It's so weird.
Looks like you got one of a hood on a car or truck.
Yeah. This is under a hood of your...
The wiring would have cost 10 cents.
Yeah. I don't get it, man. All right, moment of truth here. Boom. Good to go. That was easy. Honestly, if we were just like all business at a job site, we could have done this in 25 minutes. It's not that bad.
That's it, yeah, 10 and 10.
Yeah, but 2 people, yeah.
Interior, outside.
Yeah, let's get buttoned up. And then he also has the one little pigtail. Oh, you got your little start button right here.
Yeah, I was gonna put that on because I figured red would be cool on that.
Yeah, I agree. And then, yeah, where's that little pigtail?
Oh, it's right here.
Cool, we'll put that guy in real quick.
Right by that,
this is just a bypass. You can use your defrost to always have it on. So we'll do that real quick and button her up. All right, so we're all set. It's daytime, so I can't really show you too well, but he got the little pigtail we put on back here. You hit this once, they come on, hit it again, they go off. That was pretty easy.
That's Paragon. I was like,
The little pigtail is Paragon, right?
80 bucks.
Yeah, it's not bad.
I mean,
what was the total cost of the kit?
Because this 2LT camera was like $210 something.
Oh, they charge you more for the extra,
I'm
because the optical wire. Yeah,
I believe so,
but not a hard job. Anyone really could do this.
Yeah.
Yeah. The only part I was like iffy about was the camera part, but that was a non-issue.
You just pay attention because there's that little optical connector to not hit it. It's
Yeah.
like I almost did the old TV cable. You don't want to jack up that center pin.
Yeah. Yeah, camera still works, so we're good, man. Cool, that was an easy day. All right, let's go for a ride. I'll show you my exhaust. Sound
Sure.
good? Cool. All right, well, there you go. Quick and dirty job. And honestly, with 2 people, 30-minute job. 1 person, probably 45 minutes, just kind of fishing it through. And it's easier with a second pair of hands, putting the lights in and stuff. It's just kind of awkward, but not hard to do. Much easier than I thought. And again, you only got to remove those 2 panels, the little halo cover right behind your head on top, and then just kind of undo that one behind your shoulder, and that's it. And I recommend putting the harness back through from the engine bay. Make your life so much easier. So wasn't too bad at all. And again, he left, it was daylights, so we couldn't really show you the nighttime photo, but here's a stock photo. This is how it looks, in case you're curious. And I'll be doing it on mine next month or 2. I'll do it on mine. Not too bad at all. So cool. Feel free to ask questions if you have any. Yeah, I'll see you guys next Saturday for the Corvette show at Waterside here in Norfolk. If you're local, please come out and say hi. Me and Andrew both will be there. It'll be a fun time. So cool, guys. Until then, take care. Mark out.